In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a link in Google Sheets cells on desktop. This process is straightforward and enhances both the functionality and presentation of your spreadsheet. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have your Google Sheet open and navigate to the specific cell where you'd like to insert your link. It's essential to know exactly where you want to place your link, as this will streamline the process and eliminate any need for adjustments later. Once you've selected your cell, you're ready to begin transforming it into a clickable link. To achieve this, you'll need to use the hyperlink formula, which is simple yet powerful. In the selected cell, type the formula else hyperlink URL display text. Here, this formula serves as the backbone of linking in Google Sheets. The components of the formula are quite intuitive. Let's break it down for clarity. The term URL is a placeholder for the actual web address you wish to link to. Make sure to replace URL with the precise web address that you want your users to visit when they click the link. It's important that this URL is accurate to ensure smooth navigation. Next, we move on to display text. Within the formula, display text is the wording that will be visible in your sheet. This can be anything you want, a simple description or an informative title that indicates where the link leads. Replace display text with something meaningful and appropriate for your audience. It's your chance to provide context or call to action, so choose your words carefully. Once you've entered the full formula with your specific URL and display text, press Enter. At this point, you'll see the cell transform, displaying the text you chose. It's important to remember that this text is not static. By clicking on it, your spreadsheet users will be directed to the URL you specified earlier. This nifty feature turns a plain spreadsheet cell into an interactive gateway to additional resources or references, adding layers of depth to your data presentation. You'll find that this not only enhances usability, but also maintains a cleaner and more organized spreadsheet, especially if you're dealing with multiple links. And there you have it, your guide to showing a link in Google Sheets cells on desktop. It's a simple yet effective way to enrich your Google Sheets experience and provide an intuitive approach to integrating links into your data. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you achieve a more functional and polished spreadsheet. Until next time, happy data managing.